Hi, this is Chris. Today I'd like to show you a few more tricks with iFuntastic. If you are offended by nude Roman statues, then this is not for you. Here's our project. We'll modify the slide to unlock section of the lock screen. First, let's collect all the files we want to modify. Let's go to the file manager. We're at the top level of the file hierarchy. The file path is displayed in the path menu, which contains shortcuts to a lot of interesting places on the phone. So let's go to System Library, Frameworks, and Telephony UI that has a lot of lock screen related graphics. We're interested in the bottom bar lock text mask. That is the little highlight that runs across the text, so select that one. The bottom bar knob gray is the slider, select that one. And the third one is the bottom bar background lock, and select that one as well. Now up here we have the iFuntastic button / menu, and let's create a new custom set, call it Dare to Unlock. Okay. And it automatically puts the selected files into that set. Then when you select Dare to Unlock from the menu, here's the 3 files we picked. This is now a pushed in button. If we click it off, we're back at the regular file manager listing. Let's look for the wallpaper that we also want to modify. Let's select current wallpaper, and there should be a lock background.jpg file, but there isn't one because it was deleted. Now in order to create one, you can go to settings on the phone and select a wallpaper file. We need it so we can add it to our file set. Okay, I've done that, and the refresh button shows it now. So let's add that to the Dare to Unlock file set. For good measure, we'll throw in the unlock sound too, and that will be found in System Audio, UI Sounds, and it's this sound down here, which is a very quiet unlock sound. So select that and add it to Dare to Unlock, and that's it. Let's have a look. I've prepared the files to be substituted beforehand, which is a task you don't want to underestimate. So let's get right to it. 0 bytes, that's not correct, so there's a bug we need to fix later. But replace with an empty file because we want this to disappear. The knob we replace with the heart. The lock text mask we can actually edit right here in iFuntastic. Click Show Current Off and Current On here. That's the foundation. The color I've set to red. I click it on so it gets colorized and write it to the phone. The background without the coloring is this, and we replace that with the Adonis. Now this is a PNG file that gets written into a JPEG file. In this case that's okay because the phone looks at the file contents rather than the extension to determine the format. Unlock we replace with Fascinating. And I just realized we forgot the slide to unlock text actually, so let's add that to our file set. Springboard.app is where that is. Depending on your language setting, you have to hunt down the proper lproj folder. Let's take English in our case, and the springboard.strings file is what we want to add to our set. Show it, show the file, and the away lock label has slide to unlock. Let's change that to dare. Write it to the phone, and we're ready. Let's have a look at the phone. There's our red heart, our red highlight, but the text says slide to unlock. That is because we did not restart the springboard. Oftentimes you need to restart the springboard for changes to graphics and settings to take, so to speak. So let's have another look. And there it is, dare to unlock, and
fascinating.
The sound is right too. Now, the little wrinkle we have here is that as long as the USB cable is plugged in, we see the charging screen instead of the wallpaper. So let's pull the plug. And there we are. On the theme park page in iFuntastic, which requires the king level, you can convert your file set into a theme. Each file has two versions, one for installation, one for deinstallation. There's the bottom bar background lock. We replace that with nothing. The knob with the heart. The highlight with the red version. Background, wallpaper I should say, with Adonis. Here for uninstallation we want to delete it, so click on this and it changes to delete. The sound we pick fascinating. Now the springboard.strings file is a big text file, but we only want to change the slide to unlock, so we click on the XML editing and we get a list of fields. Let's find the slide to unlock, enable the uninstallation and enable the installation, and type dare to unlock. Okay, and we saved this definition as dare to unlock. And let's make a package out of it, and this package will show up in the Son of iFuntastic. Dare to unlock, we drag it over and install it, and it will get added to the theme park section of the Son of iFuntastic. Alright, here's how this all looks on the phone. Slide to unlock. Fantastic. Theme park. Dare to unlock. Install. And lock. Unlock. And we still don't dare to unlock. You can download the Dare to Unlock package from my website, iFuntastic.com. The Finder will think it's an installation package, so it'll give you an error message. Ignore that. If you have the King level, you can simply drop the package into the Themes folder in the iFuntastic support folder. If not, you can get the King level, or you can open the package with a control click, show package contents, and the files that you need are in the install folder, and you can just replace those with the file manager. I hope you've learned something about iFuntastic and about the phone as well. Thanks for sticking with me, and enjoy!